Hello everyone. If you would like to apply a password and a folder, so how to do it? Okay, I will show you two methods. Okay, inside the Windows. Okay, so first method is that, for example, you would like to apply password and this folder. Right click on the folder, then come here to the properties. After coming to the properties, move to the security tab. After moving to the security tab, press this edit button. Okay, select the administrator user edit button. Okay, select here the administrator user. Who is the administrator? Okay, so select that, then deny all these things. Okay, so deny all these things. It means that the password is protected, no one can access right now. Okay, so let's now apply it. You are setting a deny permission entry. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's press OK. So if someone would like to access this folder right now, okay, double press. So it says you don't have permission to access this folder. Okay, so let's press continue. What it says, you have been denied permission to access this folder. No one can access the folder. Okay, but this is not a secret method, because if someone know how he secured this folder, so he can open it again like this. Okay, right click, he move to the properties, security and administrator. Yeah, just come here and he will just uncheck all these things, all these steps. Okay, and he will apply. Okay, so now he can access. Okay, the one who know, he will access this folder. So how to apply a password? Okay, so to enter a password. Okay, so apply that method. Okay, for that right click on the folder, then you should install WinRAR. Okay, maybe it is in your PC. If it is not, so just it is 3 or 4 MB setup, just download it and install it WinRAR. After that, coming to the WinRAR, select add to archive. Okay, after selecting this add to archive, then select here set password. See at the down. Okay, set password, here enter the password. Okay, and show password if you would like to show, so you can see the password, and encrypt file names. Okay, so select this one and select OK. So yeah, that is okay. Excel.rar in the same folder, and rar and normal, select here normal and press OK. So it is changing to the RAR. Okay, so now let's delete this one. Okay, delete Excel folder. Now let's check this one. Okay, let's press this, double click on this. Okay, it will open with, see, it says enter the password. Okay, that has opened. So now we can access those contents, and we can remove the password and back make it as a simple folder and copy that and paste that here back. So you can do that. Okay, so these were two methods that we have applied, password and a folder.